I've come back to this granite formation. If you get a lot of rain, you're going to get a big waterfall coming down off this rock. At the moment we've got water coming down just a little bit, and it's formed a pool at the bottom. I'll have to go back to the car, get my pans, and I might do a bit of panning here. That's a good pool for panning in. Brilliant. Got all this material here, and down where the creek flows, back down through here, I could dig out a bit of dirt in these little rock holes and do a bit of sampling. Some nice holes all in here. Traps to trap all the heavies. Anyway, stay tuned. Okay, pan number one. Last time I was here, this tree wasn't here, so it's either fallen from where the roots are, or it's come down off the waterfall. This is all gravel. I just dug all the gravels out of a hole in amongst all the rocks back behind you in the creek. Hopefully I've dug deep enough to get something. Just got to find just one little speck. I know this is a gold area. To the east of us, there's some old gold mines, and I'm just hoping that some of the gold over the years might have washed down through this creek system. Alright, I can't see much black sand in there. Not bad. Can't see any gold. I see a few little specks there, but a couple of shiny specks. No. Nothing that looks like gold. Keep drying, I suppose, until I'm satisfied that there's nothing here, and then I'll have to move on to another spot. This is pan number 2. I just dug a hole just at the foot of the waterfall, and I've got a lot of gravels. We'll just see how that goes. There's also a lot of mica floating on top of the water. A lot of small specks of mica floating around. clay in this gravel. What have we got here? Not really much black sand. And nothing to write home about. Huh? Nothing. Well, I'll go and try somewhere else. I'll go and dig in another spot. I'll be back. Well, I did a few more pans. Nothing. Nah, nothing at all. No gold. So I'm going to just have a bit of a wander around here, pick up a few rocks, and I'll meet you back at the car. Well, that's it. No gold. I just went for a wander around through the creeks and picked up a few more rocks. I'll take home and cut them up, and I'll show you. The next video I'll probably cut some rocks up that I found here this morning, and yeah, we'll go with that. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Big double thumbs up.